Well, here's my idiot nephew. About 20 feet high on top of a playground structure. So when he breaks his neck, we'll see how it happens. Hey, sons.
Okay, guys. Gavin and Jacob, come here. It's race time.
It's race time up the slides.
What do we do? Sit right here? Sit right here? What do we do?
He's gonna race?
We're gonna race down. You hit the ground, you get off the slide, you have to run right back up. Okay, you hear me? Right here. Put your bottom up the roof. You wanna go down, touch your block, and race back up. Ready? Go.
Jacob beat you!
Cheater!
How did he cheat?
That was a blast.
I got video evidence, dude.
Watch this.